Minista Muviani wa Kisomo Julius Migos Eweta kana Muvia wa DCI Niwendeeye na Ukunikili wa Maovisa Kungamia Mitiani kwa Syiko sia Ukengani wa Mutiani ula Uendeeye wa Kcse Aineenea Kauntini ya Mombasa na Eweta kana Muvia Uyiitikila Syiko sia Ukengani wa Mitiani Eweta kana Nimekiite Mawalanyo Mwanya Kuukitana Syiko sia Ukengani wa Mutiani kabinane ko Migos ni wombola kana ba school sia nzeve ikwata ilobia ende ni mekumia livoti itina wa Muvia uko twice ya Ukunikili na kumina kuselewa kwa ilobia sia skulu Angela.
Nene va Kauntini ya Mombasa kavindani kala uvungu kontena ya Mutiani wa Kcse kiokoni cha umundi galikosia kisauni na itina kutu veko mono ya alimu anene maskulu sia musingi. Minista Muviani wa Kisomo Julius Migos Niwaweta kana Muvia wa DCI Niwendeeye na Kwika Ukunikili wa ala mana iki wembeni nikuma na Uyiitikila Ukengani wa Mitiani ya Kcse na ila Uendeeye.
A few cases of malpractice including early exposure of papers and use of digital devices were reported last week. And these are under active investigations by the Director of Criminal Investigations, and several suspects have already been arrested, with center managers being replaced. Let me reaffirm the government's unwavering stance that examination malpractices will not be tolerated.
Nukuweta kana Muvia akisoma Uyiitikila Ukengani wa Mitiani Aiweta kana nima Uendeeye na kuthukuma memo amba na Muvia Kcse kusia Syiko sia Ukengani.
We expect this week to record few instances or no incidences of malpractice across the country. When we safeguard the credibility of our examinations, we're not only protecting the certificates that our learners earn, we're also preserving the reputation of the products of the Kenya's education system. Malpractices will not be tolerated. It not only undermines fairness but also devalues the achievements of thousands of honest candidates. The Kenya National Examinations Council has further cautioned schools and the public about individuals posing as NEC monitoring officers and attempting to solicit bribes. Let it be clearly understood that NEC officers do not ask or receive bribes of any kind.
Kavindani kawi Minista unombola kana Nimendeeye na isiso ya kuandikithia namba ya maskulu ni kana kume ilovia kuita na Eweta kana mainamba kutanga asa skulu sianzeve kukwatikana kana kukwata ilovia isi ya serikali sia Kungamia Kisomo Eweta kana livoti na Muviani ni kuvikia kumwa metoke.
We did not say that there are ghost schools. What I indicated in Parliament is, as at the time I was in Parliament that day, we had not released a 1.1 billion to the schools that had not submitted the data, because what happened when the schools did not submit the data, we decided to pay a number of them 50% of the capitation. There were about 990 schools as at that time. So once we complete this exercise, ladies and gentlemen and members of the media, we will give you the actual data which then you can disseminate to the public. So as we speak, we are collating and analyzing and going to those schools and finding out what are the issues there so that we can give you data or information that is correct.
Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa Maovisa kuma Kauntini ya Mombasa niita wa Angelina Mose.